Hello and welcome back. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to disable autoplay on YouTube
over self,
allowing you to have more control over your video watching experience.
1. Treat others with kindness, for it only
Turning off this feature can be essential for avoiding unwanted content and conserving your data. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Open up your YouTube app. Tap on your profile picture on the top right corner to access your account. And before we proceed with this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon. Scroll down the menu and tap on settings to access your account preferences. Now access autoplay in the setting menu. Tap on autoplay to manage your autoplay preference. Now in the autoplay setting, you find autoplay on the home option. Toggle off the switch next to it to disable autoplay. Now let's go back to confirm if we have successfully turned off autoplay.
Don't judge a man until you've walked 2 moons in his moccasins. We do not inherit the company you can keep.
Disabling autoplay is crucial to gaining control over your video watching experience. Now you can enjoy YouTube without the interruption of automatically playing videos and have more control over your content consumption. If you found this tutorial useful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tech tutorials and tips.